Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to clear cache on Hisense Smart TV. This is very simple. If you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to clear cache, this is what you have to do. Please, I don't know if it's pronounced cache or catch. So whatever you call it just depends on your pronunciation, please. But I believe you know what I'm talking about. So go out to your settings over here, come down to system settings, and on system settings, come down to application settings. So once click on application settings, here are the various application settings. So to clear cache is simple or user data. So click on this. Yes, this is the cache. You see the cache of applications, browsers, HBB TV, and corresponding user data will be cleared and the TV will then restart. Do you want to proceed? If you want to proceed, please just go over here and click clear cache. But if you don't, you can click on cancel. So this is how you clear cache or cache or whatever you pronounce it on your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.